Hello little gremlins, in previous tutorial we fixed this issue when we rotate and there is delay between our camera and movements. But the issue is still present if we jump and rotate, we see our back. And if we do parkour stuff, the issue is still present. I will show you how to fix this. We need to go to our blueprints and to find our CBP sandbox character blueprint class. Open it. In the event graph, we need to find camera input. So basically what we need to do is to block our camera while we're doing traversal stuff like parkour stuff. And here is the camera input. If we turn it off and try to play, we can't move our camera. So we need a logic like this. There is a doing traversal boolean which describes turns true when you're doing parkour stuff and turns false when you're not doing it. And so we need to add if logic branch. Let's do this. I will do some branch now. And it goes here, and if it's false, then we can move our camera. It's true, nothing. Okay, let's try this. Okay, we can move our camera, and if we jump, oh, we can move, now we can. So it blocks for like 2 seconds while we're doing parkour stuff. So we can move, now I can move. So there is a short delay, like in games like Far Cry and other first person games. You can't move your camera while you're doing lessons like this. You can move it. You can move your camera, and basically it fixes this issue. But when we're simply jumping, the issue is still present. Now I'll show you how to fix this as well. You need to go to the CBP sandbox character, update movement pre-CMC, and update rotation pre-CMC, and change this to -1. Compile and look. We're jumping, and it's the same logic when we're idle, just staying. Here we go, it's fixed. Leave a like, my friends, little gremlins. Bye.